Uy, sugot eh. Uy, sugot. Hi everyone, welcome to Kisaw TV. We've got a fun and inspiring episode for you. Ako si Hazel Caneda, live din sa Pilipinas.
Hi everyone,
Dami,
welcome
no?
to.
Yeah.
Oh,
How
go
is
ahead,
it,
ma'am.
Doms, going over there in Canada?
And excite. Hi, ma'am Hazel. It's good, all good in here. Though it's freezing the last few days. Kay nagsigimiguan karon panahon nga minom og hot coffee and hot choco. Ako si Domino Pason. Ano yun usab kita karon sa atong bagong edisyon sa Kisaw TV.
Okay, our co-host, Ayan, couldn't join us today because of an important appointment. But guess what? We've got someone amazing stepping in. Everyone, please welcome Albert.
Hi, Hazel Lono. It's great to be here. Thanks for having me as your co-host. I hope to keep up with the fun and energy today. Today in history segment in our program, we'll take a look at the Golden Bridge, the first Filipino to drive across it, and also in our news, how can AI assist in our mental health? Back to you, Ma'am Hayes.
You'll do great, Albert. By the way, kumusta ang imong New Year?
Alegre po. We have family coming over from the States. And yeah, what excites us the most is we have fireworks. We bought some and it spiced up some New Year's celebration.
Awesome. So let's get started, shall we? So we've got an incredible guest lineup today, and I can't wait.
Okay, before I proceed to our today in history, I would like to greet our one of the co-hosts of this show, Domino Puson, having his birthday, 30th birthday ba to Dom? Grabe, 30th birthday as in, no,
Uy, mao yung pag-30
yesterday.
na
Happy
ako. Lahira
birthday,
jud ay no,
Doms!
mag-30 na ta.
And no, at in 30, I hope
Thank
so
you.
I hope mga unta din hingdapita. Okay, so before we meet our guest, let's take a quick look at today in history. O, pa siya ka-move on, murag makapakaon gyud ni siya. Okay, so let's take a quick look at today in history. So nakahibalo ba kung karong adlaw, Enero 5 sa tuig 1933, mga 92 na katuig ang nilabay gisugdan ang construction sa Golden Gate Bridge. So as you can see the screen, that is the Golden Bridge. Okay, so it was reported that 11 men died during construction despite sa preventive effort sa engineer sa Golden Gate Bridge.
Gihilagoy ni siya sa iyang national orange nga color was like a famous American landmark and a symbol of San Francisco. It is also one of the symbols of Pinoy's moving abroad. In the San Francisco Bay Area alone, there are 4.6 million Americans, making it second populous region natong mga Pinoy.
Og nakahibalo ba kamo nga si Inocencio Asuelo ang pinakaunang Pinoy nga naka-drive og pribadong sakyanan across the bridge when it finally opened on May 27, 1937, and that's for our history for today.
All right. Mga Okay, sorry Doms, kay murag grabe na akong excitement, no? No, di ka what. Bisag giingnan na nga Ma'am Hayes, unya na ka mosulod ini kahuman sa kuan wa jud ko what. All right, mga kakisaw, we're thrilled to introduce someone who has taken a remarkable journey from being a nurse to becoming a doctor, and not just any doctor, but the top one in the Philippine Physician Licensure Examination in 2015. Please welcome Dr. Vinil Lovely Bulambao Garciano.
Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Good evening to
love.
Hello,
everybody.
Dr.
Good
Vinil.
evening to
Hello.
Good evening, Doms, Ma'am Hazel, Sir Albert, ako mga clinical instructors
Uh,
before. And good evening to all of the viewers, listeners, wherever you are, no, listening to or watching Kisao TV. I'm Dr. Benny Lovely Bulambao Garciano. I'm an internal medicine doctor. I'm also a teacher in one of the universities in Cebu, and also, of course, a proud registered nurse. So, welcome to this very delightful evening tonight.
Welcome, Doc Vinil. We're just gonna go straight to the questions, huh? Quick questions to
Wow.
warm things up. What would you be doing right now if you weren't a doctor or a nurse?
Probably an astronomer, sir. Because I think if I remember correctly, during high school, I tried to apply for astronomy sa UP Diliman, but my parents didn't want me to go to Manila, so I chose to go into nursing instead. So if probably mo to akong gitake, base na ako sa NASA today, and we will be seeing each other there sa US probably.
Indot ano?
Yeah, so, yeah, lagi mo nag-imagine ko, no? So, kuan gyapon siya.
Yeah.
Doktor gyapon siya sa NASA. Unsa man ang mga
Yeah.
astronomer, mga doktor ba na? Doktor gihapon.
We're
I think so.
Yeah, so
yes,
Doc
our
Love.
mga
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doc
planets.
Love. Yeah, you Doc
Or
Love,
makita
your
na ta ni
journey.
Dr.
Unsa
Love
man?
nga kuan kanang mo report sa Pag-asa Mactan
Oh, di ba?
to start
Kuyaw.
with,
No, I
no?
think that's a meteorologist,
Oh,
though.
huh?
Meteorologist, right?
Hala, kami nakayok ang kating.
Naglibog
Uy,
na ko ni
nasayok yung paper
astrology or
commission.
astronomy or meteorology
Ay,
unsa man gyud
importante.
klaro
Basta
Dr.
importante
Love
Hoy,
kay
ana.
Jay.
astronomy sa DOMS. Astrology kay 'di ba horoscope man na. Grabe siya.
Ay, naku. Hala, ay murag na mata, makalim. Nagmata na ka, Doms? Kaya actually, Doc Love,
Wa
nag-on
pa
pa rin
kakape.
sila. 7 AM ron sa ila, no? Murag sure ko, no? Wala pa
Ah,
pag-apply pa na sila.
wa pa
Okay, Doc
nakakape si
Love.
Domino.
Yeah, Doc
Yes,
Love,
Okay.
your
ma'am.
journey is pretty amazing. Let's dive into your story. So, Doc Love, you started as a nurse. What made you decide to pursue medicine, and was it beneficial for you to start as a nurse?
Childhood dream gyud nako ma'am na ma-doctor. So, when katong time nga wala ko gisuta na mag-astronomy, so ni go into nursing ko because I thought na murag nindot sad gyud ni siya nga murag preparatory for medicine. So, that was my thinking in mind. Pero pag-graduate na og nursing, my parents told me na we didn't have the money actually, di ay gyud at that time, labi na ato nga time na to send me to med school. And sa medicine gyud ato nga time wala sa public, wala pa tong College of Medicine sa CNU, so mahal gyud kayo moto na ako na tong gi-claim gyud nga okay di na lang gyud ko mo go into medicine moto nga I think kabalo sa DOMS na I already took the CGFNS, ni take na kog IELTS, and then padong na ko ato magpa-scheduled NCLEX for Canada kay murag mo na gyud to akong pathway, murag kay namang gyud mga things in life sometimes di jud nimo ma-achieve no because of financial issues and that. Pero once ni natoy niingon nga na pwede mag-scholarship daw sa Maham for medicine. So I tried that, and long story short na nakuha ra ko, and then naka-doctor gud ko, naka-finish ko. So the decision to pursue medicine was really it was really a childhood dream. And if beneficial ba na ma-nurse, I would say sa first year murag wala pa kayo siya advantage because sa first year in medicine mga puros basic sciences, so biochemistry, mga histology and ana. But definitely pag second year nga ni na ang pharma, I would really say because I am a nurse and I was trained in Cebu Normal University by very good clinical instructors like the three of you, no? Murag advantage gud
Wala
siya,
ba tayong palakpak
especially
dyan?
bito DOMS
Meron.
para
Lasang
sa sound
sa
effects.
taga-anti ka kanigot.
Oh, diba? Grabe.
Yes. Mugin ako masulti. Advantages good ang mag-nursing especially when it comes to kanang patient care na good. And makaingon sa jud ko nga when we duty na sa hospitals lahi ra gyud I think na gyud nato ang care using knowledge and compassion.
Wow. Ang Miss Universe kayong dating, no?
Ito man nga question. Pang Miss Universe maniti, oy.
Kasi naghimo ani nga mga questions sa domino.
Siya nagbugna ani ay mo na kami ni Albert kay mura ra sad big mga host sa Miss Universe pud ani.
So, Dr. Benil, moving forward.
Yes, sir.
Was the transition tough? Dili man sa'yo nag-med school, di ba? From transition
yeah.
from nursing to medicine.
Med school is tough, sir, but I think ang transition, probably because nursing manta, so naka-try na good ko mga patient care before, duty sa hospital, sinana. So, although medicine is tough, or medicine was tough, I think the transition wasn't that very hard, good. I think for me, I don't know, I can't speak for the rest, but for me, murag, mas better gid siya because na nakoy hospital exposure before.
Yeah, so this is an introduction. No, same pod, we have a, di ba, DOMS, kita man to'y nakakuan sa una. Bert, naka-duty ba ka atong HAP? Or BSNMD?
Yeah.
Yes, di ba? So,
Yes,
balipod
MD.
siya from a nurse to a
Correct.
doctor. Ang supod siya, mga doctors nga nag-nurse. But anyway, we will have a guest for that, no, in one of our
Yeah.
episodes. Po.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
so Doc
interest-
Love.
Yeah.
Yes, Doms.
Interesting kini kang Lovely because a lot of our nursing students wanted to become a doctor, no? So they won't just stop in nursing, but they want to progress to be a medical professional. So sa mga nagtanaw karon Love who might be interested and might want to follow your footsteps, what advice can you give?
I think number one good is ilang self-examine, mag-self-examination good sila kung ganahan ba good sila mag-medicine, because I think that's the first step good nga dapat na commitment kay lisod good ang medicine. Lisod good siya. So if ever nga dili sila half-hearted sila or di sila into it good na kanang dili sila ready nga mo agi day sa kalisod, ay nalag sulod, ay nalag pagsurang-surang kay it will just be a waste of time. So I think muna first kay they have to really look into themselves if it's really something they see themselves doing for the rest of their lives.
Yeah.
I don't
so,
know kung nakainom ba si Lovely. Lovely invited me to do medical school. So in connection sa Isulti,
Yeah.
tuyog na mi sa Maham, nag-orientation
Yes,
na mi
diba?
sa
Gitorte ka.
tour na ko ni dito. Na private tour sa Maham.
Yeah.
Padung na jud ko ato, as in padung na jud ko ato, thinking of what Lovely said nga kung dili gyud nimo kuan, ayon na lang pagsurong-surang kay you have to be ready, like your body, mind, and spirit. So I got an advice from during that time kay once kayo ka ng challenging sa kayo ba kay si Sir Lopez, anhing Sir Lopez, nag-advise gyud ako nga kung di makaya si mong budget, ayaw na lang. So kung I think finance is also like an important factor in taking, and i-decide na lang ko nga sige mag-ko na lang ko mag-nursing na lang kunya but it was like a time nga mo remember na ko ba nga kuyog taming Lovely ron.
yeah.
Pero okay
wala
ra gyud
kami
Doms
ron.
kay
Bitaw.
mao gyud, and
Wala
between
sad
the two of
meron.
us, sure ko ikay pinakadato.
No.
Mas dato pa ka.
Oy, gabi. As in.
So,
Di na kita
ikaw na lang yung regret kay
Ah,
kuan na gyud niya ako serbisyo sa bayan ra gyud ni, pero imo nga
Bitaw.
kay kuan na gyud na.
pero
Servisyo
si
kaching.
actually, si Albert nagilom-hilom lang pod na siya, no? Kay kuan ba na siya? Agency
But
Landi,
nurse.
utrong milyonaryo.
Hilom lang pod na
Personally,
siya.
I wanted to be a doctor too, but I don't think
Oh,
I
di ba?
have the resources. I don't have these resources. And dili ko pareho ka-bright ni Dr. Vinil, no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Scholarship.
Yeah, si
So,
Vinil
wala kita
pag
padakli na lang tayo. It will take like years.
Asus.
Yeah.
Bitaw niya,
pag
ang kaning kay I have a sister also, he's a doctor man good.
Mhm.
Murag kinahanglan man jud ni magtuon oy mag-memorize, murag wa man gyud kuan ang
Sabot
memorization.
jud.
Oy tinuod ba na
Okay.
lab? Nga magtuon mag-memorize jud ka kinahanglan imo gyud timan-an, di ba?
Yeah,
No?
i-memorize
Yes,
gina
ma'am.
lab.
Kailangan jud.
Oo, 'di ba?
Naagi
Kinahanglan
mga
jud
things
siya.
kailangan i-memorize gyud.
Yeah. So
Oo
Doc
ba?
Love, para sa atong mga viewers karon nga ni giganahan mag-medicine, unsaon man pag-apply ngadto sa pagka-doctor kung nurse na sila? Can you walk us through the process kung unsaon?
Number one, they have to get the NMAT. Meron siya katong exam bitaw. I think National Medical achievement test man siguro or
Achievement,
assessment,
yes.
I'm not sure.
Mm.
Yeah. So NMAT sila, and then after they get the NMAT, depende sa school na ilang applyan, na magoy cut off unsa na NMAT score. For if they are interested sa ato ang own nga kuan sa CNU, naman tayo ato ang own College of Medicine na. So the NMAT that we are accepting is 60 and above. But depende na sa uban sad ng mga private schools unsa ilang NMAT. So after taking the NMAT, then they get the requirements of the school, and there will be an exam. What I know ha sa CNU is we have an exam, and then after the exam, they will undergo pa an interview, a panel interview, and then i-rank dayon na sila. And what we are getting in like CNU College of Medicine is the top 50 as of the moment. Kay bago pa manggugkay ta, so more of one section pa nga to ang gikuha. So more or less kana raman siya ang kuan.
Yeah. But Love, kanang sa iyang batch, ikaw
Mm.
ra ba nag-med? Sa
Dili ma'am.
2007? Kinsay nag-med
Dili
lain?
na si April
Natin ba mo?
Kong.
Yeah, sa
April Kong
April.
is OB.
Yeah, OB siya. And then
Si
after
Brian
ani nga batch,
James.
after ani nga batch Mango Doms and Bert, ni sagunso na ang medicine. Like 2009,
Yes.
grabe ang mga medicine
Mm.
ato nga ni proceed og medicine.
Yeah,
Yung mga
daghan
ni-top
gyud.
sa physician's licensure examination.
Yes.
Grabe.
Si Al
Bert.
Patrick
Yes, Bert.
Alahas.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
going back
Top one
to
sa
the
siya.
time,
Daghan.
in
Grabihan,
2015,
no?
when you were the top one in the licensure exam,
Yes.
where were you when you found out?
I was actually at the beach, sir,
Alo,
together
isusyon.
with
Oy,
Ito ning beach nga tong gatuan love.
dili dom sa EGI Resort sa Mactan kay
Mactan, yes, yes.
oo, murag naay gathering ba ang amo ang review center was nang libre ang owner si Dr. Tum. Iya mi gilibrihan ang mga reviewees, and then like wa pa mi kibaw sa results, ipakaon mi niya daan. Oo. Then while
Ala,
nami dito sa
nice.
beach, nigawas dayon ang result. So mo to at murag happy place kina sa beach, and then happy news pod.
How long did it take for the result to come out after the test?
If I'm not mistaken, mga 2 to 3 days na ana. I can't really
that's
recall
dali
na
siya.
yun.
Dali, no?
Dali siya. Mas lesser ba ya compared sa nursing ang mo take. So,
Lab,
Bitaw
so
pod.
nakoy pangutana lab pag human sa exam,
yes.
ano na ka nga kalisod sa exam or easy rang exam?
Or mo na nakapasar ko kaysa yun naman.
Oh, ana.
Lisod yun siya, pero murag I felt na basin masud kog top 10. Murag wala na akong
feel
feeling.
that after?
As in
Yeah.
top 1.
Murag I felt it. Wala dili top 1 ma'am kay Bobby akong naapoy other school sa Manila, mga UP, UST inana. So pero ka-feel kong masud kog top 10 inana.
Oh, so recall nako no, murag nagsugod din ni Love ang sige ka top 1 sa CNU. Di ba?
Tungod ni Love.
Yeah, sunod
tungod
muna to si
nagsunod
Alpats
sila.
na.
Nakuan sila
Dili
ng
lang kay,
fire.
what I mean, dili kay sa medicine lang, also sa nursing, sa teacher ed, di ba? Nagsige na sa katapuan ang CNU.
Yes.
Kaysa such a
Go
wonderful
CNU.
moment. Yeah. Unsa may impact ani Love sa imong life and practice? I believe nga murag kuan sa journey ni Love no ni Doc Love sa iyang family, especially sa iyang baby. Dugay ba ka nakaanak Doc Love no, di ba? Dugay? Oo.
Yes, bago pa gyud nag 1 year akong baby, ma'am. So
Yeah.
katong impact sa pag-top, ma'am, you mean?
Yeah. Yes.
I think katong pag-top gyud definitely it opened a lot of doors for me. Daghang mga kanang hospitals nga mo offer nga diri lang kapag residency inana, but ultimately I chose to go into internal medicine residency sa Chonghua Hospital. So and there I honed my skills in internal medicine, and I think also me open up with mga opportunities to teach. So I'm also currently one of the reviewers pod no for the physician licensure examination pod gihapon, and also kato teaching in other the universities for the College of
Yeah.
Medicine. So mm-mm.
So Magalay Love, wala ka mo kanang trabaho sa Manila or somewhere else, you choose to stay in Cebu?
Yeah,
I
nanay sa
actually
COM.
trained after residency sa Chonghua. I went to St. Luke's kaya nag-train ako for neurology.
Mhm.
But I had an accident there, so I had to go back to Cebu. And then, na timingan po nga nag-pandemic, nag-COVID. So, murag,
Ah,
wala na gyud jud ko kabalik. So, and maybe si Lord, naman yung mga redirection. So,
Right.
karon lain na pod ang kuan, murag path, I'm
yeah,
kuan more
plan.
into
Yeah.
academe na pod with practice and academe.
Just recently, Love, nakita ko nga ni adto kag Malaysia.
Yes, truly Asia.
Training mo
Yes,
dito.
Doms, I went there. Yeah, training. We're siyang CHED scholarship, short term, just a week for mga fungal infections, how to diagnose and treatment. Okay. Apparently, Malaysia's really murag advanced, more advanced than us. Yun.
A
Oh,
nice
wow.
platform, no? Ang Malaysia,
Yeah.
kanang mga Malaysia.
So, Albert, Ma'am Hazel, namoy laing mga pangutana before we proceed to the next?
I just saw one time nag-post si Doc Lovely sa iyahang, you have your own clinic, Dr. Lovely, right? You have your own, you open
Yeah, yeah.
So where can people find you if they want to like subscribe into your expertise? Yeah, ningon ka nga internal
Um,
medicine.
yes. Oy, Doms, wala pa to ni adto ang imong giingon nako ha, nga
Oh,
imong paadtoon.
love mahadlok sila, love mahibaw sila mga kasakitan.
Dili ra gyud ko mga saba. I'm not the
Bitaw.
type, good.
Yeah, akong
So,
giingnan nga. So, she's so lovely.
Oh, lovely. Nagyo
yeah.
sa pangalan, no?
Yep.
I'm
Sige.
having my clinic sa Talisay because I live in Talisay. Doon lang ni Ma'am Hazel. So,
Nagyapon
my
ka sa
clinic
South
is
Town? Wala na, no?
nawala na ma'am. Nanako sa High Precision, Tabonok.
Okay. Second
Ah,
floor.
Oo.
Mamisel, duol ra sa imong gibaligyan.
Oh, namaligya ko. Oy, saging. Wala na. Nasenso na biya ko ron. Nadato na biya ko ron.
Maligya mo siya tungan saging sa kuan, love.
Asa dapit.
O sige na, speaking of saging, kilid ko no sa kuan, PLDT, wala kang
PLDT.
dato mangod ko, oy, di mo ko. Pare ni tingnan to buhok na ako, oy, dito ako. And speaking of kaon, no,
ayun,
kaon,
ayun
sa
no,
si Love. Nisulti pa sa Love sa
sige.
Yeah.
iyahang practice.
Yeah.
Yes, dira, High
Ka.
Precision, Tabonok. 3 to 5 p.m. and then appointment basis na siya, ma'am. So,
naka-telephone
pwede
number,
na gid
Love?
sila manawag sa High Precision.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they can just search the High Precision Tabonok.
Okay.
Nara may number doon. Oh.
Okay. How about kung
Yeah.
ato sila kanang laing ospital, Love, pwede kanila makuha sa physician?
Yes, I also bring patients to Chonghua Hospital, both Fuente and Mandaue, and also Southwestern University Medical Center, or formerly called Sacred Heart Hospital, sa Arhelio.
So, unsa may style na, Love, inig admit nila sa before sila
ER, sa
ma-admit sa
emergency.
ED, musulti na sila nga
Yeah.
ang akong kuan. So, inikabot nila
Doctor
dito
is si Lovely Garciano.
mo request na sila niya. Tawagan na ka sa ospital na.
Yeah. Tawagan ako sa resident.
Any hospital nila.
Kato kong
No,
na-mention,
katong-
Chonghua
katong
Hospital, Fuente or Mandaue, and then katong Southwestern University. And very rarely sa Soto, pero bago pa manguko sa Soto, so ako admitting privileges. But puhon siguro.
Okay, perfect. So katong mga
Okay.
namiminaw ron, mautong paagi to acquire or subscribe sa expertise sa ato ang resource speaker nga si Dr. Vinyl Lovely Bulambao Garciano. Complete
Garciano.
good na ha.
Okay. Kani nga portion ba kay ganahan kay kuan ni? Mo answer na ka ani Love, Doc Love ha. Favorite comfort food mo ni ganahan ko kay food man.
Favorite comfort food?
Yeah.
Lechon manok and ube ice cream.
Wow, ube ice cream. One thing
Yeah,
I
but
cannot
between
live
the two,
without.
ube.
Ube.
Cell phone.
Bitaw, mo na gyud na, mura kita na gyud tanan
Di na
ana.
gyud.
Secret of staying motivated.
My husband and my son.
Yeah. Lights on
Cute kay
or
mga anak,
lights
love.
off?
Thank you, Doms.
Lagi. Lights on or lights off?
Lights
Oh.
off.
Oo, oo.
Off,
Ano
uy.
ano madugay man jud tugtog aning dapita. Uy, ang char. Mura gyud may nangutanan ako no, or ba gyud nangutanan
Boya
mo?
bunda man din ni, uy.
Mao lagi.
Marites. Love, mga marites biya tanan rin lang.
Doms,
O naka.
pamatanasan na si Ma'am Hazel kung lights on or lights off.
Oh, ikaw, Ma'am Hazel, unsa man ka?
Asa may Bert, asa mas exciting?
Love,
Depende man sa preference, Ma'am
Ay,
Hazel.
depende. Uy, by the way, dili kita mo i-guess diri. Uy, paghilot mo diyan duha. Okay, so Doc Love, thank you so much. Uy, wala mo'y mga panghirit din han duha? Basta na pa mo'y panghirit. Mga marites biya kay ta. Unsa pa man.
oh, marites kay love, no? Kay nanaw sila sa imong Facebook, love.
Mga nag-stalk.
Friends ba ito, no? Unsa? Okay ra gyud.
Yeah. Anyway, magkita mi ni Doc Love ugma kay flag ceremony na
Yes.
og kuan ko no mi,
Oh.
Asian
Hala.
attire. Ano?
Mao lagi,
Filipino
ma'am.
man ta. 'Di ba kay
Asian daw.
naman. ASEAN. Nana siya Monday,
Daw.
Doms and Bert. Nanay mandate from civil service that is signed by BBM. Good ha, imagine.
Mm.
First Monday and third Monday of the month kay ASEAN Lab, Doc Lab.
Murag ASEAN, yeah, ma'am.
Alternate siya. Unya Filipiniana o, di ba? Di halin kay mga Filipiniana sa Lazada ani.
Lagi. Feel na ko na
Wow.
cut.
With costume din na siya, with costume.
Oo, ambot lang ano mo na magkita mi ni Doc Lab ugma. Okay, so Doc Love, thank you so much for joining us and
Yes.
sharing your incredible journey. You're an inspiration sa mga nananaw karon live o sa mga on-demand.
Love, we totally appreciate your time despite your busy schedule. And I am very happy to see you on Happy New Year. And yeah, so thank you kay Love sa
Thank you.
pag-grace sa among
Thank you for
invitation.
inviting. And koan, may this show of yours mulungtad pag yun og longer, no? It's very entertaining. So
Uy, pakpak,
keep it
uy.
up.
Unsa man, uy,
Congratulations.
pakpak. Pakpak.
Thank you, Love.
Doms.
And
Uy, Wag mong subukan. Unsa man tong wag mong
diba?
subukan?
Yeah, thank you kay Love kay
Thank you.
kanang ngita gimig mga nindot kay nga resource speaker nga makahatag og kanang great ideas sa mga nananaw ba, especially our channel is growing. Pila na kita ma'am channel ka subscriber?
836.
Going
Wow,
Yes.
sana
Yeah.
all.
Kana all jud
That's
kaayo,
within
no? Ay.
Cebu City. That's within
Oh.
Cebu City.
Congrats.
Yep.
More
Salamat guys
power.
sa subscribe sa mga naminaw karon, upat ka buok live.
Wow.
Thank you guys sa pagtanaw ninyo guys.
Okay ra na kay mo on demand man na sila mo on demand. Wag mo subukan, Doms.
Agong subukan asa ba to? Kanina lang. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Kita niya ta ninyo when you come back. Kami ni Ma'am Hazel,
Yes,
magkita
love,
man
magkita
mi.
Yeah, always kada Monday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Salamat,
Thank you.
love.
Bye.
Thank you.
Amping.
Good
night.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Good night.
Okay, health news. Now let's talk about health news. Nakadungog na ba mo sa EBB? Muna ang pinaka-latest na AI launch by Headspace. Usa ka US nga kumpanya, EBB is designed to support mental health and resilience through emotional processing and self-reflection. Gihimo ni sa mga clinical psychologists and data specialists. EBB provides users with personalized interventions during emotional distress, encouraging positive behavior changes.
Ang EBB kay dili mo hulip sa therapist but offers a safe space for people to explore their feelings and access helpful content like medications, mindfulness practices and mental health resources from Headspace.
The Dr. Jenna Glover from Headspace calls it a milestone in using AI to improve mental health. ABB acts as a supportive voice for those who may have trouble expressing their emotions. Unya, giyahan ka sa AI towards healthier habits and emotional resilience.
Wow. Kini nga AI is really paving the way for personalized mental health support. Nilot kay ni siya to support our emotional and psychological health o daghang mga benefit ani. Kaning balita gikuha namo sa medtechreviewmagazine.com.
Grabe na dyan kaayo
Yeah.
ang AI, no? Speaking of AI, di ay
Yeah.
akong opinion pod anin. We had a training di ay Doms. I think I've told you this one about patent. Katong patent training nga
Mhm.
maghimo-himo. Actually, Bert, nagplano unta ko nga maghimo ko og kana ganing necklace gani Bert nga murag ilang pillbox. Nya mo tingog-tingog siya. Gikapoy man ko kay na may mga AI ron ay mura din ati nga mahalin ako ano. Murag wala na may lami na wag tangan kog motivation sa English to ha.
Hello.
Asa man na oy. Kalain adto oy.
Ito AI.
Ay, mo to si Ebby B. Kalain nagtingog ni Ebby B oy.
Yeah,
Gunon ano ni oy.
padunggon ka sa tingog ni Ibibi ha nara. Hello, Ma'am Hazel. How's your mental health?
Hala oy mag-mental health man sa tahan na oy. Ay nako. So, okay.
Bitaw no sa balay karon ang kung maglalis bitaw mi magbulaot man na mi og AI niya mag voice version sa ChatGPT niya. Ang AI magpatan-on namo niya magsige pa gid siya tubag-tubag. Pero kibaw ka sometimes masayop sa bayang AI. Diba?
Of course, kay ni-follow man siya sa principle sa computer nga input, process, output. So, mo na yung makatunan sa nursing informatics, okay?
Yeah.
Kaya ang nag-imbento kay tao man, masayop gyapon siya. Ikaw, Ma'am Hazel, kung na kay problema, ginahan ka nga, instead of talking to a live therapist, adto na lang ka may istorya sa usa ka gitawag nato og AI like ni EBB. Dili ni PBB ha, ni EBB.
Lagi murag feel na ko no maglalis mi. Maglalis tingay mi ani niya, dili gid ko muuyon. Maglalis mi ani niya, dili ko mo kuan. Nya Doms, okay ra jud ang AI manglibak. Anyways, adto ra man niya ipanabi sa oven toaster o sa refrigerator unsa man so pwede na sila maglibak.
Oo, ana, ato ra niya itabi sa oven toaster niya inig. Abli nimo sa imong fridge kay moingon nimong kuan, moingon nimong fridge ka nanasad ang kuan ay nanasad ang
Marites,
kanang
ang Marites daw.
marites.
Okay, all right. So dili pa maglaming atong istorya about sa AI. Pasalamatan sa atong mga nananaw sa Kisaw TV. We also want to invite your support. You support our future initiatives by simply scanning and donate and help us continue sharing stories that inspire and connect. Kini si Hazel Lastimosa.
See you next time, everyone. It's been a blast co-hosting today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kisao TV. Stay healthy and keep stirring up happy vibes. Sa nga ni Emiliano Ian Sason, kini si Albert Jan Roldan.
Og ako si Domino Poson, maayong buntag, hapon o gabi asa ka man karon sa tibuok kalibutan. Mabuhi ka, Pilipino.